Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to check your business credit report on Experian. Alright, if you've been wondering how to do that, this video is for you. It's going to be a really quick one. We're not going to waste any more time, so let's just get straight into it. Now the first thing you're going to do is to visit the Experian website. Just go and click on go to the Experian's website, and then once you're there, you want to click on business credit reports. Now you're gonna need to create an account or log in. So if you have an account, you could just log in, but if you don't have one, you're gonna need to create one by providing your business information. But also remember, if you already have one, just log in with your username and password. And once you're logged in, you're gonna need to verify your business identity. So Experian may ask you to verify your business identity by providing appropriate documentation. Now once you've verified your identity, you can easily just check your credit report for your business on Experian. So that's pretty much it on how to check your business credit report on Experian. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.